In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete stuff from the trash in Facebook. So if you don't want to wait the 30 days until the stuff automatically gets deleted, then you can delete it yourself by going to the trash bin. So I'll show an example. For example, this is a post. I will click on these three buttons and I will move it to trash. Move. Now it says it's gonna take 30 days until it's deleted automatically. If I want to do it right away, I'll just click these three buttons, three dots here. Then I will move down here to archive. In the archive, I'll go to trash. And I should be able to see all the deleted stuff. So I would just select all. Or if I want, I could just select individually. Then I would click on these three buttons. Then I would click delete. So here it wants me to confirm my password. I'm just gonna put in my password real quick. Okay, I put in my password. I'm gonna click submit. And just like that, you have deleted your stuff from the trash. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.